Yes, hello everybody, it's me down here in the corner. Can you see me? Yeah, microphone in front of me face, and behind me there's a green screen. Over here is the fantastic Philips TV monitor. It was very kindly donated to the channel by my mate Mark. And then there's the Atari 2600 and a couple of joysticks. The joysticks aren't working. The Atari 2600 looks like it is. So soon we might have all that fixed up. Anyway, what I'm really here for is primarily to test the green screen, which appears to work, so I'm sort of happy with that. But I wanted to just quickly run through a few different wonderful channels with you. So oh no, yeah, it's going to play adverts over the top of these, isn't it? So this chap here, then, this is the wonderful Neil, and Neil makes some fantastic retro hardware and retro gaming videos. Does some really hard work pulling things apart and making them work again, and trash to treasure, basically taking old electronics and turning them quite literally from broken pieces of trash and restoring them to their former glory, even to the point of retro-brighting them and doing all of that kind of stuff. So magnificent channel, well worth a watch if you haven't already seen Neil's channel. Absolutely brilliant. That's quite a good segue into Derek Findas. So Derek Findas recently featured on RetroManCave on a live stream. Actually, it went over so well, I must say. The team, Neil and the team there, and Derek, that's Derek, did such a good job of putting together a very entertaining Saturday night live stream. And in fact, it's ended up in resulting with Derek reaching 500 subs, and obviously he's super happy about that. And yeah, to be fair, he deserves it. He's very entertaining, very dry sense of humour, but very, very entertaining. So well worth a watch. Okay, Ravi here is absolutely fantastic. So Ravi is RetroRavi. He's into his retro stuff. A bit of a theme going on here, you might have noticed. Ravi and I actually are working on a project which is putting together an Amiga laptop. I'm sure if you're a subscriber, you've already seen the prelude to that video, and very soon Ravi and myself will be putting together yet another video on that, and hopefully we'll be finishing up that Amiga 500 laptop. So batteries, wooden case, screen, laptop. Yeah. Anyway, then we've got Make It Metal. So this is Jason Andrews, who recently changed the name of his YouTube channel into Make It Metal, and Jason is responsible for many wonderful pieces of artwork. And yeah, there's the wonderful Jason, and Jason puts together all sorts of fabulous welded artwork, and also makes some very functional equipment that you can use if you have a welding shop yourself. And he's also taught me an awful lot as well. He taught me to TIG weld and MIG weld, and also taught me a thing or two about stick welding. So definitely worth checking out, Jason. And then we've got we have got the wonderful Big Clive. I absolutely, a classic little brown box from China. I absolutely love Big Clive. He's got that sort of radio voice to him, and he's really good fun and very interesting to listen to. And he has a fantastic following. I think he's just about to hit like 500,000 subscribers now, which is absolutely brilliant and well done. Again, every video that he puts together, most of his videos are educational teardown videos. Occasionally he'll sort of go off key, and he might throw down like a taste test or something like that. But absolutely love Big Clive, and very, very educational. If you're into electronics, if you want to know how things work, a Big Clive goes into the ultimate detail and explains those to you. Really, really, really worth a watch. So that's the wonderful Big Clive. Then obviously I'm sure you must have all seen Colin Furze, 7 million subscribers. I'm sure you've all seen him. So I'll just move quickly on. Well worth the watch, and very entertaining, obviously. And then we have this Australian guy. with a really high squeaky voice, and oh my god, he drives you up the wall. But but his videos are incredibly educational, and they're always about electronics. Perhaps for some people this would be a little bit too far into electronics. It's not tear down. Sometimes he does tear downs, but you know, he gets into oscilloscopes and multimeters and frequency generators and test equipment and stuff like that. Anyway, well worth a check. Well worth checking out. That's the wonderful EEVblog with 624,000 subscribers. So there we go. Those are some of my picks for and I do apologise to all of those people that I haven't included. There's probably hundreds if I write them down on a notepad, and so I might do this depending on, you know, the feedback that I get from this video. Ultimately it was just to test my green screen, because I'm hoping and planning to do a live night at some point in the future, and on top of that, please be aware of the fact that we're going camping. Please be aware of the fact that I will be away for a short time, getting married again. So you may notice I'm going to try and sort of time or schedule some videos to release while I'm away. But just in case something goes wrong, you may also find that there's a little dry patch. It won't be a bad thing, you know. You get a break from me, and I get a break from doing this as well, which is sort of quite good fun, because I'm going to be in Taiwan, and Vicky and I will be getting married in front of her family, and we're going to be having an absolutely awesome time out there. So anyway, blah 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 blah. Done an awful lot of talking this evening. Please give me some feedback about the format here. I'm not going to do this a lot. There was, you know what? I'm just gonna see if I can find it. Hold on. So this is Jelle's Marble Run. Neil made me aware of this. It's absolutely brilliant. It's really good fun. So let me just kill the commentary on that. But as you can see, it's quite literally just marbles going down a very carefully designed marble race, and you know, they split off, and maybe one marble wins and and the rest lose. I don't know. You could even place your bets on this, couldn't you? But it's so much fun to watch, and the reason why it's so much fun to watch is it's well edited, and the commentary is absolutely magnificent as well. So, well worth checking out Jelle's Marbles Run. And there we go, they've finished. So, we might have a live evening, and I might select one of these, and perhaps we can place our bets. Bong, there we go, Blue Marble won it. And perhaps we can place our bets, and whoever wins gets, out of the 10 viewers that might actually join me on a live stream, gets a prize, or I'll ship them a prize. So anyway, thanks ever so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week, and please give me some feedback about what you think about you know, this type of setup and all that kind of stuff. I don't want to just sort of turn it into me talking at you. What I would like to do really is perhaps put up some guests in the future, maybe a few different guests lined up across the bottom here, and we can have like a video running in the background, or something going on, and we can talk about it, and you know, have a bit of fun like that. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I think the blue marble just won again. Oh, Big Pearl won. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and give us a good old thumbs up. Please, you know, give us a bit of feedback about this setup and my thoughts going forwards, and I'll look forward to the next one. Okay, take care, guys. Bye for now. Bye.